Wow. Adina, no touch those. Put it back. Yeah, no good. Poor fishy. Poor fishy. Right? That looks great on you. Huh? Right, Adina? No touch those, Adina. Yeah, hi, fishy. Hi, fishy. Okay, okay, let's go see Diego. Okay.
Can you please put on Diego?
Uh-huh.
Go, Diego.
You love Diego? Why'd you like Diego?
Yeah.
Because he's fun? Diego, give a hug. Give a hug, Adina. Adina, give a hug. Give a hug. Give a hug. There you go. That's so nice, Adina. Another hug. Another hug. Another big hug. Yay! 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 Yes, look at that. Wow, Dina. Another hug? Another hug. Another big hug, Adina. Adina, come here. Let's go put Diego. Who like Diego?
Me.
Okay, okay, call Adina. Okay, come on, Adina. Come on.